kids over the age of 1, you can actually use a little bit of honey in like a light herbal tea. That usually, 1, helps calm that throat down, and 2, honey has been shown to help fight off or help the body fight off infection. Making sure that we're working on humidity and steam is another great way to break up some of that crud. 3, when we're sleeping in particular, piling a couple of extra pillows to get up off the bed just a little bit so that we can more effectively drain, and rather than it getting stuck in the back of our throat. And again, 4, just like the first, we want to make sure that we're staying nice and hydrated.